Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the voice message playback speed on Messenger so you can listen to audio clips at normal speed. When playing a voice message on Messenger, sometimes the app might speed it up or slow it down unexpectedly due to a bug or accidental tap. First, make sure you haven't tapped the times 1.5 or times 2 speed option that appears on the right side of the voice message. If you see that icon, simply tap it again to toggle back to normal speed, which is times 1. If the speed control isn't visible or the message keeps playing too fast or too slow, try clearing the Messenger app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, and Clear Cache. On iPhone, you can't clear cache directly, but you can delete and reinstall the app instead. Also, check for any app updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Facebook occasionally releases bug fixes that resolve voice message playback issues. After updating or reinstalling, open the app and try playing the voice message again. It should now play at the correct speed. And that's how you fix the voice message speed on Messenger. Thanks for watching.